It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 17th of January. I'm Michael Groff. A small weather system will pass mainly north of Arizona over the next 24 hours or so, bringing a slight chance of rain in here. But then the weekend looks pretty good. What about the weather for next week? Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 69 degrees for the high, 50 the morning low. No rain in the bucket yesterday, and outside right now. Here at 5:30 a.m., we've got scattered clouds out there, 52 degrees presently at Sky Harbor, dew point at 46, humidity 82%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, it's in the low 40s and the usual cool spots. Goldfield up on Thompson Peak. At last report, Fort McDowell was in the low 40s also. But mostly we are in the upper 40s and lower 50s. Around the country, we've got a big trough still out here over the western states. Most of the energy and moisture from this will remain to our north, but we'll get a brush by from a system later, which we'll detail. The watch warning map, we've got winter weather advisories in the northeast and out across the central plain states, some dense fog advisories there as well. Out here in the west, winter storm warnings, flash flood watches all through the interior west and along the west coast, and a blizzard warning for parts of the Sierra. This morning, we're not dealing with much dense fog around Arizona, certainly not like we were yesterday. Some of that lingered across some of the valleys of Southern California through midday. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous United States. And precipitation valid through next Thursday morning coming from the WPC. Doesn't look like we'll be getting anything here in the valley, but some light precip, some rain and some snow up across the northern portions of our state, and certainly some heavier rain in Southern California. Let's get into it now as we take a look at the models and see how things are going to play out. Here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And we've got that system coming onto the west coast and moving into the Great Basin today. Most of that energy, as I mentioned, stays to our north. So down at the surface today, partly cloudy skies. High temperatures should be in the upper 60s to about 70. Tonight, the clouds come in and we'll have a small chance of seeing some showers. The best chance will be over northern Arizona, but we'll put a 20% chance in for this evening and then into early morning hours on Friday. Lows tonight mostly in the 40s to about 50. Tomorrow will be in the mid to upper 60s with partly cloudy skies. Saturday looks good. In fact, the weekend overall looks perfect with partly cloudy skies, highs near 70 both Saturday and Sunday. Then we've got a cold front that comes through here late Sunday into Monday, passes, again, mostly north of us, but we'll get some cooler air in here. So Martin Luther King Jr. Day, all the festivities, you're outdoors, maybe you're just having lunch or a picnic outside, whatever it is you're doing, the weather is not going to be a problem. Just a light breeze and high temperatures, mostly mid and upper 60s. A little bit cooler. We'll start the day out in the upper 30s to mid 40s on Tuesday, and then highs in the low and mid 60s. Same thing for Wednesday with mostly sunny skies. A week from today, this is Thursday, the 24th, Big Ridge out here over the western states and a deep trough for the eastern half of the country as the pattern across North America really amplifies. So that's going to translate to high temperatures roughly around 70 or so. This ridge isn't particularly strong, but it is broad. And same thing as we go out 10 days to the end of the period. This is Saturday, the 26th. Again, a broad ridge. And a fairly high amplitude pattern continues. All right, let's check out the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. And for the most part, looks like readings are going to stay right around where they should be, one way or the other, a few degrees above or below, all the way out through the rest of the month of January. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And as always, your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Be safe out there. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great Thursday.